Want to simplify data flow in SwiftUI? Learn how stacked data structures can streamline your app's navigation, undo action, and state management in just a few minutes. So the structure we'll be implementing will allow last in, first out functionality. So this is the app that we'll create. At the moment, David is the first person at the top of the stack. But if I want to add another person to the top of the stack, I can enter the person's name in the text field name field, enter the age, 20, then add the person. So now Andrew is at the top of the stack. If I want to filter or search for all the people in the stack, I just type in the search box, type a character, for example, E, click on the Find by Name button, and then it finds all the names of people that contains the letter E. Alice, Charlie, Andrew. So the next thing I'll show you how to do is to remove the person from the stack. Since Andrew is the first one on top of the stack, if I click on the Remove Top Person button, this person will be removed from the stack. Now David is the first person in the stack, and just to show that Andrew has been removed from the stack, I'll type in Andrew's name in the search button, and it doesn't exist, as you can see. So this is the app that we will create in this tutorial. In this part of the tutorial, we will create the Find by Name button and the list that includes the found names. On line 117, we will add our new button. Within action event, type in view model, find by name, view model, search, text, so that should be view model, find by person name. And then we need to create the caption for our button, find by name. Foreground color, white, font weight, semi-bold, padding, frame, max width, infinity, and for the background, we need to use a gradient, so I just copy the lines between 95 and 96 that we've done previously. Instead of having red, This color should be green. Instead of having orange, it should be blue. Corner radius is 10. Padding, horizontal. Dot background color, which is white. Dot corner radius 12. Shadow color dot black, opacity 0.1, radius 8, x 0, y 4. Dot padding horizontal. The next thing we need to do is to check to see if the view model isn't empty. So if the search results contains any values, then we need to loop through our view model search results array. And then we need another VStack. And then for the name, we just use the person object.name attribute dot font weight semi-bold text age person.age dot foreground color dot gray padding dot vertical 4 list style plain list style. On lines 140, really we shouldn't be using name as the unique identifier. We should be using a unique ID. But because the purpose of this tutorial is to show how stack data structure works, that's why I've done it this way, because the tutorial is not really about lists. But if you want to, you can fix the issue to do the list so that it uses a unique identifier instead of using the name. Spacer, then we just need some padding, top, background, color, system, grade 5, edges, ignore safe area, all. And for our navigation title, person stack manager, and then dot on a pair, and then set up our dummy data. Now just compile it. And now I'll just run it. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.